Hello, gardening friends. I am Ken Lane, the mountain gardener. What kind of flowers survive the intense heat? What plants can handle full sun? And what flowers bloom every year in our climate? Today, we are answering all those questions with our topic, heat seekers, 10 flowers that thrive in the brutal summer sun. As the June sun begins to bake the soil here in the high desert, many gardens start to look a little tired. It is that time of year when the morning coffee is enjoyed quickly before the heat settles in. If you find yourself dragging the hose around more often than you would like, only to see your petunias pouting, it is time to rethink your guest list. In my years at the garden center, I have learned that fighting Mother Nature is a losing battle. Instead, we want to invite the heat seekers into our landscapes. These are the plants that do not just survive the June sizzle, they actually require it to put on their best show. Let us look at the champions of the sun. 1. Lantana. If you want a virtually bulletproof plant, Lantana is your first choice. These woody perennials love the heat so much that they will not even start growing until the soil is truly warm. They offer clusters of bright neon colors, oranges, yellows, and purples that butterflies find irresistible. They are remarkably drought-tolerant once established and completely animal-resistant to rabbit, deer, and javelina. 2. Zinnia. There is a reason your grandmother always grew zinnias. They are the workhorses of the summer garden. Whether you choose the tall State Fair giants or the low-growing Profusion series, zinnias thrive in full, direct sun. They are also excellent for cutting. The more you harvest the blooms, the more the plant produces. An added bonus, animals like javelina find them detestable. 3. Vinca, Catharanthus roses. Often confused with impatiens, Vinca is the sun-loving cousin. While impatiens wilt at the mere thought of a 90-degree day, Vinca stands tall with glossy green leaves and flat, 5-petaled flowers. They handle the reflected heat from sidewalks and brick walls better than almost any other annual. 4. Portulaca, moss rose. This succulent-style ground cover thrives in the hottest, driest spots of the garden. Its needle-like leaves store water, and its vibrant, rose-like blooms open wide in the midday sun. 5. Gaillardia, blanket flower. This native perennial is as tough as they come, with petals that look like they have been dipped in sunset hues of red and gold. Gaillardia handles poor soil and intense heat without flinching. It is a fantastic choice for a low-maintenance, set it and forget it flower bed. 6. Pentas. Named for their 5-pointed star-shaped flowers, these maintain a tidy, upright habit and are a favorite for hummingbird enthusiasts. 7. Salvia. Specifically, look for Salvia gregi, autumn sage, or Salvia farinacea, Victoria blue. Their tall spikes provide much-needed vertical interest, and they are famously deer and rabbit resistant. 8. Coneflower, Echinacea. Built for the sun, its deep taproot allows it to find water even when the surface soil is parched. 9. Cosmos, the dancers of the garden. They prefer lean soil. Let them struggle just a little bit and they reward you with a sea of blooms. 10. Angelonia. Often called the summer snapdragon, it produces elegant spires of flowers and keeps right on blooming through the hottest weeks of July and August. Now, for my expert tips for success. Even a heat seeker needs a good start. When planting in June, be sure to use a high-quality potting soil, like Waters potting soil for containers, or amend your garden soil with Waters Premium Mulch. A thick layer of mulch is like insulation for your plant's roots. It keeps the feet cool while the head enjoys the sun. Always water deeply and early in the morning. The earlier the better. With the right plants and a little bit of preparation, your garden can be a vibrant sanctuary all summer long. Do not forget to join us for our free gardening classes every Saturday at 9:30 a.m. On June 6th, we are covering growing better berries and grapes. June 13th is the top 10 flowers that love summer heat. And June 20th is best trees for bushels of fruit. Until next week, I will be helping gardeners plant sweeter berries here at Waters Garden Center, located at 1815 Iron Springs Road in Prescott. You can also contact me through watersgardencenter.com or top10flowers.com. Happy gardening!